March 1943. The Atlantic night hides steel hunters and the men within.
Hold course east by north. Pray the British eyes stay blind tonight.
If... Right.
Machines never sleep. They only remember who dies inside them.
The ocean breathes, but she does not forgive or forget.
Wolfpack assembled North Quadrant. Hunt convoy HX-229 at dawn.
Each one carries a ghost before it even leaves the hull.
Engines full ahead! The sea is our only mother now.
Bread's still dry, which means God still hates submariners.
They vanish into static, unseen, unheard, until the strike begins.
I promise I'll come back, love.
If it creaks louder, it means the ocean's testing our hearts.
Every line I draw leads closer to someone's grave.
She breathes rough tonight. Maybe she knows what's coming soon.
Contact, bearing 085. She's close, too close, sir.
Even the sea holds its breath when death listens. We hunt by faith, not sight. God forgive what follows.
Steady. Let them dream before the nightmare begins.
Torpedo away! May she strike before they see us coming.
Victory smells like oil and fear. Beneath it, silence returns.
100 meters. Silent running. No unnecessary talking.
Bearing steady. Range decreasing, they're sweeping.
Batteries are draining fast. Breathe slow, boys. We'll choke before our time.
Someone's dreams are still here. I'll borrow courage, not their luck.
Minor leak, for now. Pressure climbs, we all drown like stones.
Eat quietly, lads. A crunch betrays us faster than anything else.
Hold stead. Predators above think we're blind. If I return...
Correcting 2 degrees starboard. Currents want us swimming in their nets.
Wolfpack converges northeast, convoy sighted. Heavy with fuel and soldiers. They're ripe.
Everywhere moisture. Keep the sparks down, or the batteries will gas us dead.
200 meters now. Trust the boat, distrust luck, obey the sea.
May these run straight. May none circle back toward us.
Silence is armor and coffin, depending who listens first.
If they listen harder, they'll hear my ribs knocking.
Don't chew joy loudly. Fate hates bragging in steel corridors.
Intercept at twilight. Dark water hides sins and heroes.
Coordinates away. Brothers converge. teeth sharpening under black waves.
Sleep later, boy. Dreams drown faster than men underwater.
Morning exists above, but night survived wherever fear lingers.
Those are the wolves. We'll attack in staggered lines, confusing those escorts. Bite, dive, relocate. Never wrestle in the open.
Everything turns. Pray the fuses wake up and work.
Full speed ahead now! We must move while there is still darkness. Tanker first. If we bleed their fuel, we'll slow their guardians and break formation.
Set depth 3 meters. Magnetic pistols armed. Double shot spread now.
Run true, silverfish. Deliver merciless judgment across black water.
One ship burning turns night into a cathedral of screams.
Multiple screws closing. Escorts angry, hunting by fury now. Take her down fast! We vanish beneath their righteous thunder!
Hold me tighter, boat.
Hard to port. Leave a ghost trail for them.
If they guess right, our prayers turn into bubbles.
Messages confirm hits. Brothers dine while we dodge knives. No heroics. We strike later where their nerves fray. Hands steady now. Dead men deserve our best aim.
We are patience sharpened. Bite again when their guard slackens.
There, seam between shields. Thread needle before cloth tightens.
If fate blinks now, we live another borrowed hour.
Victories taste metallic. Every swallow cuts the throat.
They've got our range. We're done for.
Forgive me, Mother, for choosing iron over life.
Sparks, damn it! Batteries! Keep them sleeping.
Seal that hatch! Move! Move! Or we're all dead here! Hold fast, men. They're trapped.
We live for their memory now.
If death arrives, let it come quick, without cruel rehearsals.
Make them think we bleed. Predators tire chasing ghosts. They're widening search. Deedle lost in storming haystack again.
She'll hold if respected, insult her, and she drowns us.
No contact where we're alone beneath everyone's war tonight.
Hunger whispers smarter than admirals when steel coffins linger.
I hear seagulls singing. There are no skies down here.
I remember names, not numbers. Orders forget the faces afterward.
Vent now carefully. Wrong valve mixes poison with our air.
Two escorts again. One above,
One flanking our starboard.
If she breaks, let darkness swallow me before drowning panic.
All stop. Pretend we're wreckage, bones already chewed clean.
Time is torture when clocks tick inside breathing lungs.
Follow the ravine. Terrain hides shapes better than prayers.
We stole another hour. Spend it wisely, not bravely, Captain.
Sir, losses are heavy. Black May bleeds our brothers dry.
We finish this patrol. Honor demands completion, regardless of the odds.
I promise laughter, but the sea postpones my return yet again.
A lone straggler, limping along. An opportunity whispers, but it is risky.
One for today, Troubles. One for the abyss tomorrow might bring. That is all we have left.
Another dud! The gods of fuses are sleeping when we need them most.
They've got us! They triangulated our position. Math is sharper than our courage tonight.
Crash dive! Take her down, fast! The ocean loves quiet guests, hates noisy fools.
Every minute stretches the skin tighter across my shaking bones.
She's wounded, Captain. Treat her gently or she'll surrender suddenly. Let them guess depths wrong. Mathematics murders slower when blinded.
Thank the weather. Even gods argue and grant us mistakes.
Fresh oxygen tastes like churches after nights of sin.
Tell her I tried. The sea kept receipts of everything.
They see us! No more shadows tonight!
Hold my hand, Captain. I'm done pretending I'm fearless. Save yourselves! The boat served us. Now let her sleep.
Steel forgets pain. Oceans remember names longer than monuments. Of 40,000 souls, too few returned. The depths kept most.